Hi guys, welcome back to Technox City. This is Adnan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, this video is released after the ban on the channel, and I don't know how the ban was approved by YouTube. And but then the ban period is till August. But then due to some reason, YouTube is allowing me to upload the video. So thanks to YouTube for that. And now let's talk about today's video topic, that is how to get money or rather earn money from Instagram. So guys, this trick works, and please watch the whole video so that you don't miss out any important step that will include registering, signing up, and the referral codes in this video. So first of all, let's go back to the home screen. I'll just show you what you have to do. So first come up to this section. You just need to, the basic criteria is you just need to have 500 followers on your Instagram. So let me just open up and show you. And if you have not yet followed me on Instagram, just go ahead and follow. This is Adnan Ahmed, and the Insta ID is Adnan0710. As you can see, I have 710 followers. So the basic criteria is having 500 followers. For that, you just need to download this app. The link will be in the description. Just go ahead, check out Tag Mango. This application helps you earn money by doing some, just posting a post or rather a story on your Insta profile. So here, this is a new, you just need to come here, sign up, and you can also use my referral code, that is 1004359, and maybe I'll get the mango points. As you can see, I don't have any mango points even when I have referred my friend. I'll give you more options to earn. Just wait a second guys. Go to the campaign section. These are the live campaigns. Click on the mango in the center and you will find all the campaigns available to you. And this is a Kolkata based company and offers more for Kolkata. And here this is a new one. I just didn't check this. Must have 500 plus followers on Instagram. Will be required to post stories in the space of 2 weeks. So what's the campaign about? Bobble Als, creative, quirky and funny Bobble keyboard has a wide array of stickers. Okay, it's just a keyboard application, I guess, and you just need to promote it on your story. And the maximum earning capacity is rupees 200. And remind you, they'll give you around 150 to 200. It's a range, and it's not a fixed return. So I'll just apply for this. Please wait, and I have applied, and I'll get approved when the campaign is approved for me. And now I'll just show you the campaigns which I have completed. Go to the my live campaign section over here. This is pending, which I have applied now, and I have applied for this, I have applied for this, I have applied for this, and these three were completed, 1 2 3. And this Bolo application had given me maximum earning capacity 150, and they had paid me 100, as well as the amount that you used for registering an expert call. You will have to pay for this campaign, that is you will have to pay 30 rupees for registering a video call, and then you will get return of the same amount with the price amount. And leaving that aside, and here you have the video description group, that is rupees 200. You can use this one as well, and I got around 150 for this campaign. And the another criteria is after doing this, you can also remove the post after 72 hours. The minimum time period you need to have the post on your profile is 72 hours. So make sure you do that. And then after what do you do after applying and you are approved? You just need to complete the deal and share the post link here. And as I have done here, I'll just show you. You have to paste the submission link, that is you'll have to go back to your Insta profile, and suppose this was the post here. You just need to click on these 3 dots, copy link, and then just go back and paste it there. And that is how you make the make your post reach them. And also you can just follow them on Instagram, that is Tag Mango. You can just find them, and you can always talk to them, and you can get your doubts clarified. And this is how you can earn money guys. If I can show you the proof of Paytm, I'll just show you the amount that I have received from Tag Mango. So going towards the passbook, Paytm wallet, and I have removed everything. Let me just show you. Cashback received from Insanus Technologies Private Limited, that is 39 rupees for the video call, and the cashback received from Tag Mango is 150. and then the next one was over here, cashback received from Tag Mango rupees 100 in the middle one. And this is how you do that, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe for more earning tips and tech related videos. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.